Hi y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make Belizean stew chicken. We're using chicken thighs. It's about 3.5 pounds. So we have to wash it first with the lime or lemon, or some people use vinegar. I don't like vinegar, so I use lime or lemon, whichever one is available for me. This seasoning right here that I just used, the sunshine, I got that from Sam's. And this one is from Costco. Those are my two favorite seasoning. They don't have any salt in it. The salt, I use 2 tablespoons of the salt, but you don't have to, because maybe 2 tablespoons would be too much for you. So you do to taste. And this is the type of salt that I use. And I get this from Amazon. And this is recardo. I got mine from Belize, but my sister-in-law, she told me that she get it at the mercado, the market, and if you in Texas, you could also get it at Fiesta. We're browning the chicken. We brown it on both sides for a little bit, just to not have it look white, that pale color. I don't like my chicken when it's pale. Yeah, so I put the ricotta and then I still brown it a little bit. So I'm putting in the vegetables, and with the vegetables, I'm adding 2 cups of water. If you like a lot of gravy, you put more in, but I'm not a gravy person, so I put like 2 cups of water in there, and I let it cook for about 30 minutes, 30 to 35 minutes. Okay, and there you have it, Belizean stew chicken.